Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Sean Rampersad here with another financial video for you. Today's topic, I'm going to be talking about how to save money on your property taxes. So over the years, I bought and sold loads and loads of properties. And one of the things that I'm always trying to save a buck on is on the property taxes. Your money just goes out to the municipality. They spend it however they want to spend it, but you need to know the things that you can do to save money. And there are several strategies that I'm going to explain in this video that you can use to save money on those property taxes. At the end of the video, I'm going to teach you my number one thing that I've done to save money on property taxes. And I'm also going to explain to you my payment strategies that I use myself so that I never forget to pay my property taxes. So if you like what you see in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me rank higher on YouTube and get this good information out to other people that really need it. So first, the number one thing that I'm going to talk to you about that's going to save you some money on your property taxes is looking for exemptions. So every municipality has exemptions for different things. I know during COVID, some municipalities had exemptions on your property taxes if you met certain criteria. Other municipalities, other countries might have no property taxes for Aboriginal people. So if you are Aboriginal, you may not have to pay property taxes. I know in Canada and in the United States, if you're Aboriginal, you don't have to pay on reserve, as an example. So those are just some of the things that you can do. Other exemptions might be if you're in the Army, you may get a discount on your property taxes if you're an Army veteran. So that is the number one thing I think that you should look for if you are trying to save money on your property taxes. The next thing is to contact your municipality and get them to reevaluate your property. So you want to dispute the valuation they have on your property. So for example, if you're in a neighborhood and all of the properties in your neighborhood are worth 450,000, but they are evaluating your property at 600,000, then you want to call your municipality and tell them, there must be some sort of mistake here. This is way too high, the valuation you put on my house. So basically the way it works is the higher your value of your house is, the higher your property taxes would be. So if you can get them to evaluate your property lower, which everyone can, then they will lower your property taxes. I would also get 3 real estate agents to evaluate your property. So real estate agents are in the know of what the property values are because they're at it every day, listing houses, selling houses, that type of thing. So 3 real estate agents put together would bring the evaluation of your property down if you wanted to be. You would tell the agents just to make it very realistic of what the property is worth at this time. And that'll give you an idea if you should even waste your time and call the municipality and have a reevaluation done. So definitely call some real estate agents. You could get an appraisal. An appraisal costs money, but it is a surefire way to know how much your property is worth. So if the appraisal comes in lower, you could present that appraiser to a city or your municipality's person that evaluates the property, and that will be a surefire way to get a discount on your mortgage. So you might spend $400 to get an appraisal done, but you might save $1,000 a year on your property taxes. Goes a long way. You could check online to get an idea of what your property is worth. So the last few things I talked about is finding out how much your property is actually worth so that you can make that call and get them to come and reevaluate your house. So another way to do it is for you just to spend some time online. You could look at realtor.com, realtor.ca, whatever MLS system your country or your municipality has. Zillow is another example of a system you could use, and try to figure out what your property is worth. I would look in specifically in the neighborhood that you're in, the same type of property. So if it's a 2-story, then look at 2 stories only. If it's a bungalow, look at bungalows only, and find out what the recent solds were. That'll give you an idea of what your property is actually worth. If you are looking to do renovations on your property, I would put those on hold and get the evaluation done pre-renovation. Okay, the reason being is because renovations will add value to your house. If a person comes to evaluate your house and it's fully renovated, then they're going to evaluate your house higher, which you're trying to avoid right now. You need them to set something in stone. My property is worth X. So do not renovate your property. Make sure you do not add a suite to your property until after the evaluation is done. If you add a suite to the property, then your evaluation on your property is going to go up, just like in the last example. The other thing that could happen is they may add that into your property value as a legal suite, and then your value will go up huge. So you don't want to renovate a basement or put a suite in until after your evaluation is done and they put a number on your property. Next, you're going to ask the city to send out the assessor. So the assessor is going to come out to your property. They're going to walk the property just like in an appraisal, and they're going to evaluate your property. So make sure you're ready for this, and no renovations are being done to the property until after the person has assessed your property. You could walk the property with the assessors, show comps to them if you have them printed out, or if you're a real estate agent, you could say, "Oh, I had a real estate agent come by. They did some evaluations on some of the houses in the area." They'll know what you're doing, obviously, but you're providing real evidence, so you could show them some comparables to lower your property value. Make sure you limit your curb appeal. You don't want it being super pretty on the exterior of the property or anything like that. Limit curb appeal until after the assessment as well. If you're enjoying the video so far, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does help me a lot. Thank you. So you're going to want to know how the city assesses property taxes. So the city will come out, they'll put a value on your property, and then they're going to multiply that value by the city's effective tax rate. They're going to call it either the city's effective tax rate, or they're going to call it the mill rate. But you're going to multiply the value by your city's mill rate. And you could look it up right online what your city's mill rate is. And that's going to give you your property tax amount annually. So your goal is going to always be to lower your property taxes, to lower the value of your property. So one of the tips that I do to make sure I pay my property taxes on time is I have it included in my mortgage. So obviously I'm a mortgage broker. When a person comes to me and they get a mortgage in place, whether it's with a bank or some other financial institution, I try to get the property taxes auto taken out from the bank, out of your account, with your mortgage payment, so that you're not missing any of those property taxes. When I was younger, I did find myself in a position where I failed to pay my property taxes monthly or anything like that. And at the end of the year, I had a big fat bill to pay. Young people, it's tougher for them to pay those bills, but I did manage to do it. However, it did set me back. I couldn't go on a vacation that I had pre-planned because of it. So you want to get your payments coming out with your mortgage. If you don't, or if you're dealing with a lender that doesn't take the tax payments out for you and pay directly to the municipality, then you could go with your municipality's tip program. So in Canada, it's called the tip program. I know in a lot of the United States and a lot of the UK, it's called the tip program. But basically, it's a form that you'll get from your lawyer when you buy a property, or you can call your city to get the form. They may have a website with some common forms as well. And get that document, fill it out. You can have payments come out monthly, you can have them come out quarterly, you can have them come out annually, whatever you prefer. But pay your property taxes monthly if possible. I think that's the best way to get it done. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you're looking to get a mortgage, please give me a call anytime. My number is in the comments below. There's also links to my website in the comments below. Thanks for watching.